Hello, thank you for watching. If you could leave a like or subscribe or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now I'm working with Ranger. So see there's a chunk broken off this Danger Slinky.
Everyone loves a slinky, you gotta get a slinky.
I changed the one other side before and I used the ordinary screw clamps, but I'd use 4 of them because it's so strong. So this time I'm going to take the whole thing off and give a bloke down the garage 20 quid to just use his hydraulic one to change it for me. So just take it off this now. So there's 3 nuts on the top here. See the stud sticking up. 1 big bolt down there. And this torsion bar here, you have to get the link off it. So up here. So you put a Torx inside it or a Allen key. No, I haven't looked yet. And slacken this with a spanner. So I'll get on that now then. So on this job now, I have a perfect excuse to use my new spanners, or wrenches which will be called. So these are the icon ones that were trending before on internet. And a Canadian friend has really kindly sent me these. So it was a real surprise, and thank you very much for that. I know you're watching, so thank you very much. So that was an 18mm nut. I got that off. As you see, it's twisting upwards. So I have a stand underneath it anyway. I'm going to jack this up a bit to take the pressure off that so I can actually get it off. So this bolt there is actually 21mm, so some weird sizes of this. And I took it off and see it sprung forward, so it's under tension. I might actually have to take this top swivel off so this whole hub can lean downwards to get some pressure off that really. But I'll try first with a bar in here just to press it down a bit to see if I get a bit extra movement. But I have to slacken the free top ones anyway first. I think this has to come off. So with a little clip on it, it's actually a little R clip, quite good really. The split pins can be real fiddly things to get out. This is pulled out easy. Those nuts were 15mm, another weird size. This was 21 again. And I think it's easier to actually unbolt this bracket than actually try to take a pipe off this bracket. So I'll go at that now before I start hitting that off really. That was 13mm, so an ordinary size ones. And come to think of it, I better take this wire off as well. And it has a little bracket that bolts on as well. So this is 8mm bolt. So I'll best take this off. Take these plastic clips off as well to get more slack and wire. And I unbolted that bracket as well to get a bit more slack in this pipe. So I finally got out, and this torsion bar was really fighting me, or anti-roll bar should we call it. So I put this bar in there and press it down like that so I could get a bit more room. And I turned the steering that way and it gave me a bit more room there. So that's that off.
It's the way she goes. Sometimes she goes, sometimes it doesn't. She didn't go. It's the way she goes.
So I'm getting there now. Only thing, because I spent forward so much, this drive shaft had to come out of it, but I managed to push it back in, and it's right now. So I've put this back in. I had to bend this down again to pop it back in. It was easy to get it in and get it out really. I've tightened those, tightened bolt there, tightened this, put the clip back in. I just put the pipe and wire back, and the I think it's probably anti-roll bar to go with the link back in.
A few moments later.
Actually broke one of these, so I've put a cable tie around it. But it's all back together now. So job done. So the hardest part was getting that strut out, and then it wasn't too bad to get back in, but not a job for a beginner. So no bolts left over, which is always a good sign.
What the fuck?
Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.